Not enough USB 9-pin headers on your motherboard? Today, we're unboxing and installing the MH01 Internal USB 2.0 9-pin hub to easily solve your expansion problems. First, let's take a look at its sleek black and white packaging. Inside the box, you'll find the MH01 hub itself, along with a highly convenient 2-in-1 splitter cable that handles both your power and data needs for a cleaner build. Installation is cleaner than ever thanks to this single cable design. First, plug the Type-C end into the MH01, then route the split ends, connect the SATA plug to your power supply, and push the 9-pin connector into an available USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. Once connected, you can plug in any devices that require a 9-pin header. Popular components like your case front I/O, LCD AIO water cooler, RGB controller, or fan hub can all be connected at once. You never have to worry about running out of motherboard headers again. For easy cable management, just snap the MH01's magnetic base onto any metal surface inside your case. No screws or double-sided tape needed for a clean build. The MH01 easily solves your USB header shortage while keeping your cables tidy. If this helped your setup, drop a like and subscribe for more. See you next time.